What's going on, Vetted family? I'm Joey, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to stretch out your plantar fascia. This stretch complements the plantar fascia roll that we covered in another video very well. It's going to help you reduce the symptoms of plantar fasciitis as well as other related foot pain. Setting this one up, you want to get the balls of the feet on the floor. You want to make sure that you can get those all the way down. If you cannot, in a minute here, I'm going to go over a couple regressions that you can try. Make sure you're straight up and down with your feet. Most people have a tendency to roll out like so. You don't want to do that, so make sure you're pressing through actively. Line the feet straight up and down, and then just sit up upright with nice posture. And you want to hold this for around 60 seconds to 90 seconds. For our second progression, it's very easy to transition into. Just lean forward, take the pressure off your feet, and then go down to the tops of your feet. Go ahead and lean back here. This will stretch the connective tissue and fascia that lines the top of the foot, as well as the anterior tibialis muscle. That's the muscle that runs down the front of your calf there. Now, for our regressions, both of them will be executed standing. Make sure you have a wall or something to hold on to. You're going to get into a split stance here, and the stretch will be for the back leg. So from here, I'm just going to raise my back heel up, and I'm actively pushing my metatarsals through the floor, and that's going to create a nice stretch for the plantar fascia. The more you're driving your metatarsals through the floor, the more of a stretch you'll get. If you have a big bend in the knee, you're not going to feel the stretch. So go ahead and keep that nice and straight and actively press through the floor. To transition into the other position, same thing, we go to the top of the foot. I'm visualizing the middle of my foot and I'm driving it through the floor. And this will stretch the same structures as the second stretch. Connective tissue on the top of the foot and then up into this calf muscle here, the anterior tibialis.